Hey guys, it's Nick, and this is Ghost.
Alpha.
Ghost. What, we can cut that out. Should I just press record again? So I might have messed up the name. It's Alpha. His dad's truck is Ghost.
That's Alpha. We don't get her out very often. We don't know if we want her to be a part of our channel. She belongs to me. She's got a little bit of issues, and as you can see, Holden there has a very affectionate relationship with her.
Alpha has issues because of you. Daddy, no.
Holden has some separation issues with Alpha. Alpha used to be our baby for the longest time. She has little issues. She needs a power steering lines and probably a gearbox. And we would kind of like a 3/4 ton. She's just a 1/2 ton. Don't touch it or I'll shut it off. She's a 1/2 ton, and she's not bad for a 1/2 ton. She's clean, but we'd like a 3/4 ton instead of a 1/2 or even a 1 ton. So we don't know what we're gonna do with her yet, but she's kind of cranky right now. We'll let her sit for a little bit, and then we'll come out and show you what she really is. So. Right now she's kind of collecting garbage. And we had an eventful weekend. I think everybody kind of enjoyed their weekend. Like I told you guys, I went out and got some footage, and well, we broke the Can-Am. And by we, I mean me. And it's gonna cost me about $1,000 to fix it.
Oh.
When we go big, we go big. However, I have a shortcut. See, what happened is the front differential, instead of having a gearbox, has a sealed pack in it to make it locked. And in that pack is fiber clutch discs. Fiber. When you get into the 4-wheel drive, a little bit of your tires, shit tends to happen. Would you like to hear good news?
Sure.
The upgrade's only $400. So
saves a couple bucks. Just upgrade it.
$400 for the upgrade, and it is a true locker system instead of an LSD like Alpha has. Now, if you don't know what LSD is limited slip differential. That means if you've got too much pressure on the left side, the driver's side in the front, your right side will start to spin, which it's kind of handy in the wintertime. I don't personally like it. However, this new upgrade is called a true locker. And a true locker, for those of you that don't know, is instead of having LSD, it's both of your front tires spinning at the same time, all of the time. And also the good thing with this sealed clutch pack that's in there now is I can still ride the Swamp Goat. And it currently still has 4-wheel drive, but it goes in and out to 3-wheel drive. The good thing about this being sealed is none of those fibers, metal parts, or anything like that are gonna get into the ring and pinion. So I don't have to do any extra work with the ring and pinion, hoping that that doesn't get messed up. It's all done for me. Now, that being said, that's $400 that I don't have to spend right now. So when that part comes in, that'll be content for you guys. It's gonna be harder to get the front diff out than it is to put the parts in it. So we've also let Alpha over here warm up a little bit. And pass you off to Holden here. Safety first, kids. Safety first.
Tow mirrors extended all the way out so you can see.
Gotta have your eye protection.
Now we're going to
Get
go.
over here and you just.
You want it real bad.
Oh, is it gonna move? It's gonna move. Look at that hole it just sunk into. It's been sitting in a while.
What about the exhaust?
All right, you ready? You ready to hear this? You ready to hear this?
Power steering.
And that, viewers, is why I have separation anxiety from Alpha.
Say goodnight.
Don't say goodnight.
Say goodnight.
Don't say goodnight. No. Apparently we have to say goodnight to Alpha. Yeah. Look at that. And there she gets shut off for about a month. Month and a half, 2 months roughly. She's turning into a ghost.
Okay.
Give her some love and she's good to
I
go.
tell you what.
Mwah.
This weekend, on a Friday or Saturday morning, we'll go empty out the back and we'll take her to a car wash. We'll wash and shine her for once.
Classy.
And with that, kids, this has been Cole with the Iowa Gearheads. Remember to hit the like.
Oh, hi, I'm Nick. Hit that subscribe button.
Make sure you leave any comments to see what you'd like more.
See you next time.